Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing push-ups with our hands on a stability ball. So this is a really challenging variation of a push-up, and to do this, it's really going to require a lot of stability in our shoulders as well as our core. So think about involving your entire body. We want our quads and our glutes flexed and squeezing. Same for our abs. And then as we get onto this ball, we're going to start in our high plank, but it's going to want to move, so I have to stabilize. So the more I squeeze my legs and I squeeze my abs, the easier I'm going to have this as I lower down, keep my elbows in close to my body, and press back up to full extension with shoulders, elbows, and wrists all in one straight line. So make sure that you come all the way down to tap, keep your elbows tucked in towards your body, and then lock out at the top. We can always do these modified with our knees down as well.